Mickovska, and I have been an English language and literature teacher since 2001. I've taught in the IB program since the program's very introduction in 2006, and I've had the opportunity to attend many face-to-face and online workshops thus far. This summer, I attended a workshop titled Deep Diving, a truly catchy title indeed, that incites us to plunge into the unexplored and uncertain surfaces of these new models of learning. This Zoom meeting took place on my balcony in Ohrid, and I almost experienced a very similar urge to plunge into the lake, metaphorically. Key takeaways for me that I will implement in the online classroom are as follows. We need to find methods and strategies in order to keep our students engaged and enthused at all times in this new modality. We need to form relationships with students from the very start. We need to create a safe and comfortable atmosphere. We need to build a community of trust and respect online. We need to curate resources that would facilitate the learning process and enhance the creative approach. We need to effectuate the SAMR model, where technology can improve the taste of the coffee. If S stands for substitution, and that is a regular coffee, then augmentation can be macchiato, regular macchiato, modification, caramel macchiato, and redefinition, pumpkin spice macchiato. So we need to start adding more spices to our lessons, and technology is there to help us with that.